Hey everyone, for today's video I wanted to see if a violin made from nothing but plastic and patience could really play piano. This is a contest-winning design from MakerWorld by viu.logic, a fully playable 4/4 violin, complete with clever worm gear string tuners. The violin is engineered with extremely tight tolerances, so the cleanup of the support materials is essential to make everything fit just right. Before making any sound, the bow needs Rosin, otherwise it won't grip the strings. Now, does it sound good? Well, let's just say the violin is fine. The atrocious sound you hear is all me, not the design. But hey, it works. Would you call this music or just noise? Let me know in the comments and tell me what I should 3D print next.